Beloved Hazur, are there different stages of hell just like there are different stages of heaven?
Yes, there are different stages of heaven. Some people will get less punishment, and some will have very severe punishment. This is why it is written in the Holy Quran that they will be put in the deepest part where there will be fire all around, and some will just feel the heat of burning. Only their feet and ankles or legs will be burned, or they will feel heat up to that level. And those who are making idols and making partners with Allah Ta'ala, they are doing shirk. Allah Ta'ala says they will put in the deepest part of the hell. So there are different stages. According to their sins, they will be punished. Allah Ta'ala will not treat everybody in the same way. So everybody will get his or her punishment according to their deed and their sins, right? As they will get reward in the heaven.